light. Clumsy paws and goofy leaps for the child who never sleeps. Moonbeams light the woodland path. Wolfie tells a joke to make her laugh. Snarling face is just a mask to keep her giggles on a constant task. Howling under the moon, Wolfie's silly tune. Grins and messy fur, making joy occur. Turns a rock into a throne, plays a lute with a gentle tone. Whispers tales of distant stars in a voice of roars and jars. Wolfie's antics light her eyes, twinkling like the night skies. In a world where shadows loom, Wolfie brings her brightest bloom. A leap, a bound, a somersault, guarding dreams till morning's halt. With every silly feat and jest, Wolfie gives his very best. Somersault, guarding dreams till morning's halt. With every silly feat and jest, Wolfie gives his very best. Wolfie's antics light her eyes, twinkling like the night skies. In a world where shadows loom, Wolfie brings her brightest bloom. A leap, a bound, a somersault, guarding dreams till morning's halt. With every silly feat and jest, Wolfie gives his very best. Wolfie gives his very best. Wolfie's antics light her eyes, twinkling like the night skies. In a world where shadows loom, Wolfie brings her brightest bloom. A leap, a bound, a somersault, guarding dreams till morning's halt. With every silly feat and jest, Wolfie gives his very best. Wolfie gives his very best.